I don't know what I'm there, but my camera stopped recording. So this is what I'm cooking, the old chicken and herb cheese. Ouch! That was hot. Ow! That's fucking hot though. The cheese, that's actually kind of like got burnt. I love that. I really love that kind of burnt cheese. Turn that off. Move that over there. And there's my chicken herb cheesy chicken. I call it my chicken cheesy herb chicken. I don't know why the camera went offline just now. And then little bits of cheese left over. Sprinkle it on. Right, so put that back in the bag for tomorrow. It's smoking here. Cool, smoky. Didn't even use that. So there's my chicken and cheese herbs. I would have had it all, but I'm not that hungry. I'll just put a little bit more pepper on. And a little bit more salt. And there we go. My chicken herb cheesy chicken. Hope you like it.